Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We are designing this lovely house with a aqua flat stones that prevent the building from dampness, that help you to not be painting your building every year or all the time. Ebi o si ofi organa ha apoto bebre how dan asi how form like open so inside the free now so two stones na no. So I'm here to give you a update based on how the work is going. The name is Steven Stone Design. Let's go. So look at the location. You see, look at the location. That we are saying that everywhere we day here in Ghana here, when they call us, we go come. So this is an stone material that we have the ash color and the red color also, and the red color. You see, so we are missing this one and this one to do the installation, and this be the building as you can see. You see, so look at something. Yeah, so as for this contract, I tell my workers that my workers that I don't want her to miss. I don't want us to miss the stones, on the pot inside. You see, the pot should be all gray, all ash color, but the red stones going to be at the top and here. So that be why you could see that you put all the red stones, most of the red stones here and under here, and leave the pot, all ash color. You see, cause of the idea be say even a paint, like they can give maybe one paint color to everything. So why we can't do the same thing using a natural stones? That way I tell my people that no, my people that let her put the red one top, red down here, and all ash color here, so that when you have done it will look so beautiful and unique. But what they see right now, we know wash them, we are on. So this one we know wash them yet, we are on the installation process. You see, very nice and beautiful as you can see. So we are laying the stones, entire the building. Every place will be covered with a flat stones. You can see here, every place you cover every place with the natural stones. You see, so the side here, no, I told my workers to mix the colors here. So that we are here, no, it be mix colors. You see, but the front here, no, only the ash one. Or if you come to your location, just tell her how you want it. Oh, Steven, I want it like this. I want to do the mix colors for me. Steven, do only one color for me, and all is possible. Just tell us what you want. You see, just tell us what you want and we'll do the same thing for you. The name is Steven Stone Design. Once you have done, it is forever. There's no any extra cost in the future. There's no extra cost. Once it's done, it is forever. This is a Takwa marble stone for your house decoration. We know what sham yet. We are on the installation process. This is an mortar that we are using. Carlo, Carlo, why Bioli you did it back here? What's you are there? So you are still the work. You close. Ah, okay. So this be the background. You see. So we are here to cover everything, everything with a natural stone, so that once it's done, it is forever. You see, maybe you are living outside the country, they will call you that your paint is dirty, you are facing a dampness problem. Once you fix a natural stones, that be all. Once it's done, it is forever. There's no extra cost in the future. You see, so these are the stone material. You see, I deliver all this to by me myself, plenty. So you divide the stones here before the installation. Give us a call today, tomorrow, and forever. Bye bye.